This is how you can make money online by selling digital products. It is very simple. Hi guys, my name is Jennifer, Savvy Money Girl and your money bestie. And today I'm going to be showing you a simple but detailed step-by-step process on how you can start earning money using digital products. So number one is you want to go use Canva. Yes, Canva, the very app that we know, Canva. Canva helps you to design products. Firstly, you have to choose a niche. So what are you good at? What can you do? Are you good at baking? Are you good with finance? Are you a good tailor? Are you a good storyteller? Like what are you good in doing? Are you good at graphic designing, affiliate marketing, digital marketing? Decide what niche and what you're good at. Now outline every single thing you know or every single thing you think that you would want something to teach you if you're a beginner in your field of knowledge. So let's say for example, I'm very good at finance. I'm a finance educator and a finance coach. And if I were to learn about finance and investing today, I have certain key points that I would love to know that I feel like that would help me start off very easily. Now, when I am teaching this to my clients or my students, I ensure that these key points are part of my curriculum. Now, when you've done this, take the outline key points and put it into ChatGPT or Cloud AI. Prompt it and say, okay, outline, help me write a digital product or an ebook based off of this thing that I've outlined and include important knowledge topics that I might have missed out. Now, ChatGPT will create this for you. And now this is where you now need Canva. With Canva, you're able to create the designs of your ebook. If you're a very good graphic designer, you can create from scratch. But if not, don't worry, Canva has templates that can help you start your digital product journey. Now, all you have to do is choose a template of your choice, something like this, and then you create your table of content, edit, and just input every single thing you want about your ebook. And that is very simple. Now that we have our ebook, the next thing you want to do is how do you put this ebook in front of your target audience, in front of your community? How do you start making sales? Now, the very first thing you want to do is to utilize social media platforms, free social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Threads, WhatsApp. On these platforms, talk about your products, talk about your knowledge, sell your product, talk about it every single day. And I kid you not, like every single day if you want to make sales. Now, the amazing part about digital products is that you can basically, it's literally a residual income, right? Once you create a product one time, and all you have to do is just keep talking about it and marketing it, and you keep selling it, and then you start selling, and then every time someone buys your product you make money. You don't even have to create that product again, now unless you want to update it. Let's say you've learned new knowledge and you feel like you want to pass on to your students, then of course you can update, and then maybe increase the price if you want to. Now there are various websites I recommend for hosting your digital products if you're a beginner. Now if you're in the UK or the US, I recommend StanStore for you. StanStore, it's easy for you to set up your account, and then you can host your digital products and add your link to your bio on Instagram or to any website. And whenever people buy your products, you're able to withdraw your money out from StanStore. Number two, if you're in Nigeria, I recommend Nextuge or Seller, right? Recently, I prefer Nextuge a lot because it's easier. It's made my life a lot easier. Seller always have glitches. Now, all you have to do is go open an account and upload your products on these platforms and then share your link. It's as simple as ABC. Don't forget, number one, make sure that you're selling something that you're very knowledgeable about. That is the only way you're going to get return customers. Number two, use AI to prompt and save your time. AI would help you create your ebook very well. Number three, use Canva for designs. If you want to save time, if you're a good graphic designer, ensure you utilize the templates on Canva. Number four, host your ebook on platforms that helps you sell like StanStore, Nextuge, Seller. And number five, market the hell out of your digital product. Talk about it every single day. Post on Twitter, post on Facebook, post on Instagram, post on TikTok, post on Threads, and you will definitely start making sales.